Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're unboxing the Pixel 8 Pro. Let's dive in and explore. The box includes the handset, SIM ejector tool, USB-C to C cable, quick switch adapter, and a quick guide. Please note, a travel adapter is not included, so it needs to be purchased separately. Now, let's power it up and explore that stunning display. But before we do, let's take a moment to quickly review the specifications. Feel free to pause the video to read them carefully. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a masterful design with Gorilla Glass Victus to protecting the glass front and back. The aluminum frame not only adds style but also durability. The camera takes center stage with the Pixel 8 Pro. Let's delve into some captivating photos and videos. Check the description for a link to the visual showcase.